Hello everyone. This is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G mobile phone. First, needs proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. And then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a pick or card pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clips securing the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, remove the logic board cover by unscrewing the 9 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug and unplug the fingerprint connector. Now the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body.